Yeah, we're out at Brambleberry for the day. Had some crazy storms move through last night, and we're very blessed it wasn't so bad here, but it did blow around some stuff. Some of our underpinning on our trailer that we put up got blown out, and we got it put back in. And our unfortunately, our little greenhouse thing that we had, it busted one of the metal supports on that. So we went ahead and took that down because I think we're kind of past the point this year of those IBC totes freezing up. So today we brought our compost bins out and got them in place over behind the outhouse. And right now Jess is working on blowing some leaves out, just trying to clean up generally around before the creepy critters start coming out. Hopefully we'll deter some of them. And then, yeah, we're just kind of doing some odds and ends today. We're not staying out for the weekend, just come out for the day to do some work. Here's the compost bins. And there's Jess blowing the leaves. Just trying to get it all cleared out from under here and around the totes.